Today, we celebrate the spirit of unity, heritage, and progress. A proud moment for the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. On this Saudi National Day, we celebrate not just a nation, but the dreams and aspirations that drive us forward. For the past 2 years, XCMG has proudly served in Saudi Arabia, contributing to growth, innovation, and collaboration. At XCMG, we are proud to be part of Saudi Arabia's remarkable journey of development. We celebrate the rich culture, traditions, and the incredible people of this great nation. Your heritage inspires us every day. On this Saudi National Day, we extend our warmest wishes. Happy Saudi National Day! Together, let's continue to build a brighter future.